Hello everybody, welcome to the shed where I have actually been up to stuff. Yes, I've been pulling my finger out and I've done a bit and I'm going to show it you right now. Enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I've been doing a little bit of painting. I've got a nice little bit of sky blue going on in the background. Getting rid of all that mess that I had from Kingsley Cross Mark 1, the embankment. I've decided, yeah, I'll paint like a nice little sky blue rather background. So that is that. The next thing I've done is I've built a little station. Excuse flicker cam with the light in. Nothing I can do about that on the old iPhone. That's the shutter speed, is it? Something to do with that. But I do actually have working platform lights on it. There is my shed. This is the gaugemaster collection, gaugemaster. The platform bases were £12 and the station was £10, I think. And I managed to find a nice cheap set of lights to go with it, and look at them. I'm really proud of that. Not only because I've soldered it myself badly, but it works. And believe me, it doesn't look like that in real life. It's just literally that's just camera that's making it flicker. It's not actually doing that with the naked eye. It does look better than that. So for a first attempt at building one of them, I'm quite happy with it actually. Got a little bit of super glue issues going on at the bottom of the front of the station, so probably gonna have to find myself some nice little planters maybe, or something that can cover that, because it does look pretty nasty really, doesn't it? But the rest of it, you know, it's first attempt, it all looks good apart from that. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't know if I've updated you on my forest, but yeah, I do have quite a bit of trees going on, so I've done that as well. Bit of foliage at the end of the platform. Yeah, I do need the buffer stops there to go on, and this bit at the front, which I was gonna build like a docking yard, sort of docking area, maybe have a little boat or something and a crane. I've decided to go with a little in the middle of but fudge nowhere sort of station scenario. So that's going to get boarded out, and I'm probably going to put a nice little car park on there or something. Let's see what happens. Scotty has just pulled out from the station, which is currently unnamed. I'll go into Cowland now, where I have put a few more trees in. Started to build a wall around the cow field. Got the cows in there. I do actually want some more cows to make that look a little bit more populated. And then, as you're watching the Virgin going round there, Sir Winston Churchill, I've got a nice grassed area as well. And if you're wondering why I've only got 3 lines running and not 4, as per update videos that I've done, it's because when I was fitting my lights, I actually pulled out track 3's line, and I've not put it back in yet. So I do need to reattach that. Yeah, happy with my cows, just need a few more. Really happy with this. Look at that. She is definitely pride of my fleet. Absolutely love the flying banana. Sir Winston Churchill coming round again. And then we've got the incomplete 125 on line 4. So yes, that's where I'm up to. Got a nice lick of paint. Oh, those paint there is just sort of holding the extension lead in place. I've got screws in, but it was sort of sagging, so it's screwed and glued to the bead in there, keeping that out of the way because that whole area there is going to get turfed. Might even put an embankment in there as well. Yeah, that's where I'm up to, having fun. Absolutely no theme whatsoever, just going with the flow and enjoying it. And that is what it's all about, isn't it? Who cares whether it's set in the 1980s, 1960s or whatever? I don't care. I'm just doing my thing, and this is it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all there again very, very, very soon. Ta-da!